Today, I'm going to tell you about LiveWebinar. LiveWebinar is a dynamic webinar platform that lets you present and collaborate on content in real time and run paid webinars stress-free. A cloud-based webinar software that can host and monetize all of your webinars. Host and monetize webinars, share documents securely, and collaborate using a cloud-based platform. Schedule duplicate events automatically, gather lead data, and connect your CRM to build your base and drive sales. You can schedule events for a specific date, set up rooms for events that are permanently open for your team, or create evergreen webinars that work for you again and again. Add tags like marketing to organize all related events. This is super useful if you're hosting a lot of similar events. You'll be able to create an event form that captures leads, customize event appearance, and add third-party tracking codes from Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn. The integrations I'm talking HubSpot, Zapier, and WordPress, just to name a few. You will be able to move leads down your marketing funnel. With LiveWebinar, you can monetize your event. It'll only take a few clicks, because all you got to do is connect a Stripe or Braintree. Now when someone registers, they can buy a ticket to join your event, and you can set limits and expiration dates for tickets too. LiveWebinar even secures your events. I'm talking password protection and double encryption levels of security. LiveWebinar lets you personalize event information, agendas, and settings. Let's check out a live webinar during an event. It's easy to change the room layout, switch between different modes, like discussion, presentation, and classroom. That last mode is great for educators and tutors, by the way. Try out interactive tools like whiteboards, surveys, and voting. Collaborate in Excel or Word during the webinar. Moderate chat, get detailed analytic reports for all your events. Design no-code webinar registration pages so you can attract more visitors and convert them into leads. You can add call-to-action buttons to landing pages and fine-tune the look with custom colors, images, and layouts. You can translate chat into more than 100 languages, control audio and video settings for audience reactions, and set up real-time feedback surveys. Plus, you will be able to host webinars on any platform and broadcast them to channels like Facebook, YouTube, and Vimeo. Grow your business with monetized webinars using a feature-packed virtual meeting platform. LiveWebinar is a cloud-based solution with superior screen sharing, live video streaming, and recording features, plus customized branding, social media broadcasting, and audience engagement analytics. LiveWebinar is packed with awesome presentation tools, so you can connect with your audience, monetize your content, and collaborate with your team. Level up your webinar strategy. So, click on the link below to LiveWebinar for an incredible price. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.